Hey guys, it's Nicoletta. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new. If you're new, I'd really appreciate if you guys hit that red subscribe button down below to join my YouTube family. But today's video is gonna be a little bit different than what I post. However, it is very much still up my alley. If you guys have been here for a while now, you know I am no stranger to a good clothing haul. I love my online shopping, but I am always on the lookout for the best deals, the best discount codes, and the best cashback rewards. So today I'm going to be talking about kind of like my shopping hack, my biggest life hack, and I have found a tool that I use every single time I am online shopping, and that is Coupert. I am partnering up with Coupert, but when I say I have been using this tool for months now, I am not lying to you guys. It has become like a natural part of my online shopping experience. Smarter shoppers use Coupert. It is honestly like having an AI-powered super shopping assistant at all times. Coupert is a free extension that was designed to help consumers save money when shopping online. It makes your shopping experience effortless. In this video, I'm gonna break it down for you guys. I'm gonna share with you guys how Coupert works. I'm gonna walk you through the setup, and I'm also gonna show you real life examples of recent orders that I have been doing on my online shopping and how I was able to save money and how much money I've been able to save. Let's start first with how to use. When I tell you Coupert is the most simple and easy tool to use, I am not lying. Like I said before, Coupert is a free extension, so I will have the link to it in the description box. Make sure to click that, and it literally takes a few seconds to download, and once you download it, you can go ahead and register your account, and bam, it is all set up. You are free to go ahead and browse around. Coupert is supported by Chrome, Safari, Edge, Opera, and Firefox on desktop, and Safari on their Coupert app. As well as there are over 6 million weekly active users on their desktop and over 3 million active weekly users over on their Coupert app. They also work with over 200,000 merchants globally to be able to bring to you the best savings and deals. There are 3 core features. The first one being the automatic coupon testing feature, supported by over 3 million different retailers. Sephora, they have Amazon, they have H&M. They literally have so many. This is the feature that's going to make sure that you get the best promo codes or coupon codes going on in order to save as much money as possible. Shein is one of the stores that is on Coupert. As you guys could see on my recent online order, I went ahead and went to checkout, clicked the Coupert feature, and when you click it, it will go through all the different coupon codes that is currently happening right now, and it will put the best coupon code to give you the most money off. There is no need for you to go ahead and try and find a coupon code online or figure out which one's the best one. It automatically does it for you without you having to lift up a finger. Just by using this service, I was able to save over $50. Let's move on to the second core feature, and that is the Cashback Rewards feature. So Coupert is supported by over 76,000 different retailers for their Cashback Rewards service. And this includes Sephora, Macy's, Nike, you name it. They have so many, as you guys can see right now. And their cashback rewards is super simple and easy. So once you get your cash back, it usually takes about 15 days to process. And if you keep using the service, it takes quicker and quicker. And they will give you your cash back via PayPal, gift card, or bank card. So it really just depends on which one you prefer. And the last feature is the price comparison service. This has saved me so many times. Coupert will tell you where the item is and what's the best price on which website. For some reason, really into the new UGG sandals, so I went ahead and I was on Amazon and I was looking at one of the sandals that I have been liking. When you already have Coupert downloaded for you guys, you will see they have the feature down where it says Coupert comparison prices. You just have to click that. It will bring you to a new page and it will share with you guys the exact same item you're looking at and all the different prices they are on different sites. I was able to save over $50 on the shoes just by buying it at a different site. And on top of that, they are supported by Cashback Rewards on Coupert. So not only am I going to get the best price, but I'm also gonna make money on my order once I go ahead and purchase it. I used to look myself and like go on different websites to find the best price, but that was so time consuming. And also a lot of the times I feel like I missed a lot and probably didn't find the best price. And if you guys are wondering, you can use all 3 features at once. If you guys aren't using it already, make sure you go ahead and download the link in my description box. There are no strings attached. It is completely free. It is so easy to use. You don't have to do anything once it is installed. I have been able to save thousands of dollars, and especially with prices being so expensive nowadays, it's always great to be able to find the best deals. Stay tuned. I will be having more hauls actually coming soon. I love my shopping. What can I say? Don't forget to click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.